Here's Isaac. We're on a trampoline because it just started snowing a whole bunch, and he just keeps falling. And so, whoa!
Is it actually that hard to stand?
Yeah! Even in shoes! Look at the bottom of my shoes. That's not fake. I mean, some of the times it's a little bit fake. He's actually exaggerating it, but boy, is he not exaggerating it that much.
Jump normal. Don't hurt it
Gee.
You know why I'm slipping?
Oh crap! Even shoes you slip. You have to try this once, Lucas. Come on.
Ask Steve if we can jump in shoes just while it's snowing. Well, I don't even think you're allowed back here, Michael. We didn't even ask if you can come back here.
Did you, Isaac? Oh, can you?
Michael, come on, let's go out front.
Whoa!
Michael, help me get this way.
Okay.
You have to ride this.
All right, I'm gonna take another clip once we're out front.
There is no brake.
Now record me holding the snowball and then track the snowball while I throw it. Ready?
Yeah.
3. And we'll throw the snowball. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Hey guys, so I just landed a back flip to front flip. So I did a back flip, no extra bounce, just straight to front flip. I look like an idiot. It's currently snowing while it's sunny, so I have many questions for myself. Are you serious? My wallet just fell on the floor. I'm gonna see if I can do a back flip, just a regular back flip. Why am I so weird looking right now? I wasn't paying attention to anything. Go. Okay, here it goes. Alright guys, don't shoot me yet. I'm just gonna put this on for safety. Alright, hey guys.
Hey, I'm not gonna shoot you unless you show the camera.
Vlogs, it's Michael here.
Show the camera on me or I'm not gonna shoot you.
Good, don't shoot me yet. I'm gonna be getting shot by an airsoft gun. As you might have seen. I made a mistake. I was wearing this. That protects me. But then I took it off and he didn't notice, so immediately I got... Ooh, it hurts. I got shot and ended up with this bruise. I just got a really bad pimple right about there, but that's not actually a pimple. That's from getting shot with an airsoft bullet. Yeah. So,
Here's the gun.
yeah. I'm also going to put this over my stuff so it doesn't break my phone. Sorry if you guys see this. Nope, you don't. Okay, good. Anyways, protecting my phone from a bullet if it goes stray or something. So put it like this. Stray bullets will not go well with my phone.
Ready to be shot?
No. So anyways, you saw that. I'm going to post it to my Instagram, so you might have seen it on my Instagram already. I'm going to show you my second shot, and then I'm going to see if I can toughen up and get it bare skin. I did it with my regular shirt, like this one right here on my back. That's that shoulder blade one. I don't want to do it on bare skin. At least my shirt stopped a little bit of it, but it would immediately suck. Tyler.
I shot the target.
No, you directly hit me right here. I have video evidence of you shooting me. Video evidence. I know for a fact you shot me.
It didn't hit her.
I understand that. Doesn't mean it won't.
Hey, at least you got to the point of the video where you're about to get shot. Most people that I know wait.
Alright. There it goes.
That way you get to see it.
Middle and back. Miss. Middle and back, so right here. Not yet. I'll say when I'm ready.
Okay. Sure, watching you. Ready?
Go. You son of a crap.
Like this? Is that it?
Stop missing.
Jeez.
You're scaring me. Stop it.
I'm not to. I'm a kid. Come on. I want to see you.
Don't you get? You are not in one. Ah! God dang it. No, that's because you got me under the other shoulder blade.
Oh, okay. It's right. It's getting worse and worse. I can't really see it. I can't see it. It's right there. It's right there. It's right around it, but no. Yeah, it's not really fast. Right there.
No!
Okay. It's like 1/10 of the size of the one. I was getting worse. Yes. Yeah. It's right there. I got it.
It's way worse than
Oh, you lost the ball. There we go. It looks like you back. Easy there. And that's the ball now.
Under my other shoulder blade. Is it red yet?
Right there.
Yeah.
It's red, but
Is it getting worse? I'm just gonna show the camera until it gets really bad.
it's getting worse and worse. They can't really see it. They can't really see it. You're gonna have to wait a minute or two. So it's right there.
Alright, stop. How to go away now. Just tell me when it's probably like the same amount as the left one.
Okay.
Also, that jacket helps not at all. And nothing at all.
Actually,
It's just the same, just a little bit better. No, it's actually exactly the same, actually.
they still can't really see it.
So I'm gonna be able to do it before I got shot and after I got shot.
It's getting red around it, but no problem yet. Yeah, it's not reddening that fast. Right there.
Ow! Do you want me to shoot you?
I'm trying to make it red so they can see.
No! Let it get red by itself.
Okay.
Oh, it's so painful. I was expecting it to not hurt that bad. Tell me exactly when it's pretty much the same amount of bad as the other one.
It's like 1/10 of as bad as the other one. And the other one is getting a bit worse.
Seriously?
Yes.
Like the first one?
Yeah.
It hurts.
Like they can see the red.
It doesn't really hurt. Well, it hurts, but it doesn't hurt. It stings. That's the only part about it.
What would you
Also,
do?
it's right there.
Yeah, they can
And then
see.
the other one is right. Have I touched it? Am I touching it?
It's right there. I already.
Oh, there it is. Whoa, that thing is puffed up.
Yeah,
My God.
I told you it was getting bad.
It's way worse than the other one. Okay.
Oh, the other one's actually starting to puff up now. Yeah, it's actually starting to puff up.
Is the camera seeing it?
No. No, they're not seeing it. There we go. There we go. You can see it. It looks like nipples on the back of you. Can you see it? It's right there. And that's the other one.
Stop, Tyler.
That's
Stop,
what it
Tyler.
is.
Stop it.
Okay, jeez. But it's actually starting to puff up now. Just imagine wearing a a mask on the back of your head, people are gonna think that you're actually walking correctly.
All right, Tyler. This is the conclusion I've came down to. I would still rather get shot by that gun 5 times in a row. Like bam, 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 or bam, 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 bam.
In the same place.
Not in the exact same place. Like all on my back. Even just with this on, then get a shot. That says something about how much I hate shots.
Oh, they can't see it anymore.
I know.
Oh, jeez. It's starting to puff up. It's actually turning white.
Yeah. So yeah, lesson learned. I'm gonna do alright. Lesson learned, don't do it. Unless you are okay with a lot of pain, like stinging pain. He started cussing, so I had to cut that out.
No, I didn't.
So, yeah. Anyways, pretty much, I'm going to now make a video where pretty much we're just going to be shooting each other when we're doing a hide and seek tag kind of a thing, but we're going to be going around with these guns. And, we're just going to be, shoot.
It's cocked. Is it in safety?
It's going to be, yeah, these guns. And, so yeah. It's gonna be scary, it's gonna suck, and I'm gonna hate it, but, you know, whatever. We're gonna be doing a hide and seek tag pretty much where we have the guns. Try and find somebody, and either they say they wanna wait, or they will, or you can just shoot them if they say that, yeah, you can just shoot them, if they agree, yeah, just shoot them shoot me right when you find me. Or right when you find me, back up a whole bunch, and then go in and shoot me. So yeah, that's pretty much how it's gonna go. I don't know when I'm gonna post that. I might not post it, but I will just say, we'll make sure that we have layers enough that it's still gonna hurt a whole bunch, but it's not gonna hurt even close to as bad as it hurt me doing these two. So yeah, at least wear some protection because it hurt the same, but it didn't leave as bad of a mark. But let's just say, it really sucked. Hide and seek tag Airsoft edition. It's gonna be the first one to do. I regret this so much. Also, I'm gonna be making or I might make a video, I don't know. I'm gonna try and get a Airtrack, a trampoline. I'm probably gonna get a new phone too, but that's not gonna be anytime in the near future. But I'm also might be getting a new camera, and that camera will be a really nice big camera actually. Have some nice quality. This is still gonna be my slow motion camera though, because it doesn't have this slow motion as this one. But yeah, I'm gonna have a new camera. It's meant for recording, and yeah, start making better video quality, I guess. It's kind of expensive. It's about $260, which is breaking the bank a little. So I'm gonna have to be working on that one. So it'd be amazing if you could actually help me get this camera, because I would love to start making better videos. As I've said, I'm probably not very well in the video. Anyways, to get this camera, it's gonna cost me a lot of money, and it's gonna cost some of my relatives a lot of money too, because I can't pay for it currently all by myself. So I'm gonna have to use some other people to have some other people help me get this. But $260. But it's not gonna be that exact, because I'm gonna be using some like a gift card I got and my money, so it'll be a little bit less. But anyways, pretty much lots of money's gonna be spent, and it all will be spent for new video ideas and new video upgrade, I guess. I'm trying to get myself my own laptop to edit and just a little bit make videos, and as I said, new phone, so I can actually sometimes record if I don't have my camera on me, and my new camera, hopefully. And then, as I said, an Airtrack. If you don't know what an Airtrack is, if you know what a spring floor is, it's literally just springs and then some like a special kind of floor on top. but an Airtrack is an inflatable mat, pretty much. It's like an air mattress, but an Airtrack is meant for jumping on, and it's made out of PVC. They're really expensive, but the one I'm getting is about, I think, approximately the same price as the camera I'm getting, but I'm not sure. They usually go for about $1,000. So mine's going to be a lot, a lot less money, because usually they're around $1,000. That's a lot of money. I don't have that money. So, anyways, I'm probably going to be getting a Pixel, so yeah. I'm going to try to edit this video by the end of today. If I don't, well then I don't. If I do, then great. I'm probably going to upload it tomorrow. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. And, I don't know. Still sucks. And just so if some of you guys want to see it one last time after a while.
Oh, it's not.
Please share the video. I want to get as many views and new subscribers as possible. Just really quickly. I just really want to get monetized. If I could get monetized, it'd be amazing. Because, as I said, I want to make better quality content, and the future me is probably going to be like, you're an idiot, you shouldn't have done that, or something like that, and I'm going to hate myself. That was the worst voice ever. Anyways, future, I hope is going to be good, but as far as I know for now, all I've got is me spending a whole bunch of money that might go to waste. Hope not. Anyways, yeah. Please share this video with your friends and family, and just keep watching, and yeah. If you guys enjoyed, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.